Oh my God. Spencer, get Ashley to leave.
I can hear you, Paula.
Tell her to leave.
Do you want me to leave?
No. Get out of my house. Get out of my house.
Let go of me.
House right now.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Girl, I am telling you.
Here we go again. You know what? Her name is Ashley. Ashley, why won't you ever say her name?
You want me to say her name? I'll say her name. You're not allowed to see Ashley.
What? Why?
Because she's a bad influence. I am telling you. You are forbidden to see Ashley.
Yeah, and how are you gonna stop me? You're never home.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Hi, Paula. This is Carlin. How are you holding up with everything?
We're doing as well as possible, but yeah, it's been hard.
Is Spencer here?
Yeah. Spencer? Ashley's here! Let me go see what's
No, she's ignoring me, and I get it, so I'll go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no, it's okay.
Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I could really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Here I am. I choose you. I need you. Please tell me you need me just a little bit too.
Pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars. I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now. Can we pretend that airplanes in the night sky are like shooting stars? I can really use a wish right now, wish right now, wish right now.
Spencer's not like you, Ashley.
I know I'm not the one you wanted to be with, but I'm the one she chose.
We'll see who she chooses. I guess the battle lines are drawn.
Guess they are.
I could really use a wish right now. I could really use a wish right now. Like shooting stars. I could really use a wish right now. A wish right now.
God, why does everyone care so much who I'm in love with?
Or who I'm in love with.